Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to check our storage on our iPhone as well as how to manage the storage. So first thing we have to do is just go up on the settings here. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to scroll down until you found a general. Okay, in the general you just need to go click the iPhone storage. And after you click it, you just need to wait until your phone calculating all of the storage on your phone. Sometimes it will be take for a while, but then I already opened it before so that this video is not gonna be takes too long durations. Okay, you can see here that the storage that I have in my iPhone is 128 gigabyte. But then I already used like 79.6 gigabyte from 128. Means that I took a little bit large amount of the size of my storage. And you can see the colors on the iPhone here. The red one means that the application, so means the application on your phone takes the larger size on the storage. And the second one is photo, and the third one is the system of the iOS. So how to manage it, you will be have the recommendations that recommend by your iPhone to do the things that you have to do, like doing automatically upload and save your photos into the iClouds. You can click enable it so that you will be saved 0.72 gigabyte from your phone. You also have the second option, which is recently delete album. You will go delete all of the deleted photos on your device to have 56 gigabyte extra for your storage. So this one is quite effective option that we can do today. So let's do this. Go click empty, means that the deleted or the recently deleted album will be empty, means you will not gonna able to bring all of your deleted photos video on your phone. And after you deal with this condition, go click delete from this iPhone. And after that you will got 7 more space on your iPhone. So that's all the way how to check and manage your storage on your iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.